Hey. So, in this episode of Let Me Get Real with You, is about getting your TikTok account verified. If you are committed and you are serious about bringing up your TikTok account as a form of personal branding, that means your IP, and you are also using that to run a business, to through that creating online income, right? Then you must watch this video whereby I personally share with you this recent development about my TikTok account getting verified. All right, so here we go. So far, what I have learned, it seems like it is based on invitation only, just like in IG and in FB, whereby I was also being verified, right? And I recall that the occasion that I have the opportunity to submit my national identity particulars, personal particulars, into the Meta company, right, to get my IG account and FB account verified were all based on invitation only. I received notification one fine day from Meta company to seek my interest in getting my IG and FB account verified. For this instance, TikTok, it seems to be the same. I just received this verification interest notifications, right, about 2 days ago. And of course, I know what it is all about. And as a business owner, trying to use my TikTok, right, social media account to build my personal brand in what I professionally represent, right? Of course, I am very grateful to receive this verification notification so soon from TikTok. So what I have learned is that other than that, it is based on invitation only. The other part would be I believe that I have been pretty active in and consistent in putting out really um, value adding educational contents. The other part will be I actively getting myself involved in doing weekly live streaming. And each time the live streaming are a few hours. So these are the two things that I have done, most likely leading up to me getting that invitation for my TikTok account to be verified, right? To be verified, right? So soon. So let me show you what do I mean by receiving the notifications. When you see on the screen here, I actually took a snapshot that I received this notification. It looks something like that, okay? And when you get your TikTok account, initial stage of verification, basically it's just to submit your national identity personal particulars. That means taking a snapshot of your national ID information, right? And submit accordingly. And thereafter, most likely you have to wait for about 24 hours to receive the next round of notification, whether if it was successful or not. So this is so far what I have learned. And upon the successful verification, definitely you will receive the notification again in your inbox. And how do TikTok demonstrate the verification badge, right? Not just by giving you a notification, it will also show up in your TikTok account. And so far, after I've done some browsing around to figure out where will be the verification badge, right? It is actually in my service bio. And the availability of seeing the service bio, right? So far, to my knowledge, will be during my live stream, whereby I actually will pull out my service bio, right? And for collecting leads, contact information. So over there, clearly stated, right, will be something like that as you see from the screen here. Creators are verified. Okay, that means TikTok vouch for me, right? I am a real, genuine person, and whatever that I professionally representing, TikTok vouch for me that I am a real person, right? Not a fake account or an imposter, right? No AI either, right? It is a real human being, right? Of a certain country nationality and what I professionally represent, right? So far, this is what I have learned. And should I continue to receive more updates or discover on my own new things about this verification, I will definitely put out more of such educational content for you once again. And to close up this subject, right, in this video, I strongly encourage you that if you are, as I said earlier on, you are actually committed and you are serious, right, in growing your TikTok account to make it like an IP. That means it is a personal branding. To use that to help you grow and scale your business, right? I strongly encourage you to get your TikTok account verified as well. And it seems like across all social media platform, it's always about consistency in conjunction with really value adding content. These are always the proven formula how we bring up our social media account, right? To be, to be utilized for business purposes. And last but not least, right, in an ever, changing digital space in terms of the technicality, I would like to invite you that I have actually set up my own mentorship plus mini course plus tech support subscription hub to help you out, right? So that I can be alongside you, to assist you in things that are related to the technical aspect in digitalization when when you pivot onto the internet, right? In especially in setting up your own digital business ecosystem, right? So I believe I can assist you and help you, right? So that you put your focus in growing your business rather than getting yourself stuck in all this technicality. Right? Should you see that, hey, there's no harm to learn more about it, right? Comment below this video, tech support, right? By doing so, you are giving me permission to check in with you, right? To figure out together, right, what you actually need, right, immediately in regards to this tech support, right? So I look forward to seeing your comment.